Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon rice balls. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients: fresh salmon, warm cooked rice, and crisp nori sheets. Make sure you have a clean workspace and a mixing bowl ready. Having all your ingredients at room temperature will help them combine beautifully, ensuring a perfect texture for your rice balls. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth cooking process. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the salmon. Take a 6-ounce fillet and season it simply with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Then, bake it in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until it's cooked through and flakes easily. Once cooled slightly, gently flake the salmon into small, bite-sized pieces, removing any skin or bones. This ensures a consistent texture throughout your rice balls. Now comes the fun part: mixing and shaping. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of warm cooked rice with the flaked salmon. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Mix everything gently but thoroughly. Then, using slightly wet hands, take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and firmly press it into compact, 2-inch diameter balls. This ensures they hold their shape well. To finish your delicious salmon rice balls, take a small strip of toasted nori and wrap it around the base of each ball. This not only adds a lovely oceanic flavor, but also makes them easier to handle. For an extra touch, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds over the top. You can enjoy these delightful treats immediately, or store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. They make a fantastic snack or light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.